This is the final video to solve the CrossDeviceService exe error in Windows. Are you also facing this issue where CrossDeviceService exe keeps showing errors, or using high CPU? This happens when the Bluetooth service breaks, system files get corrupted, or the Dell or Intel cross-device feature glitches. Other guides make it too confusing, but when I faced this, I fixed it with one simple trick. And now I'm sharing it here on Rexish. First, open Services and restart the Bluetooth support service and the cross-device service if it exists. Next, open Device Manager and update or reinstall your Bluetooth drivers because this process fully depends on them. Run SFC and DISM scans to repair corrupted Windows files that cause the service to fail. If you use Dell Mobile Connect or Intel Unison, update them or reinstall them to refresh the service. Turn off Bluetooth temporarily and restart your PC to reset the connection layer. Also check for Windows updates because missing components can break cross-device service. Finally, disable the service if you don't use cross-device features to stop the errors completely. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll make it.